When people hear the words white noise, they usually think of the calm noises that helps them get through the night. White noise can also be seen as
distractions that help us continue to flow.
To me, it's the sound of serenity flowing through our minds.
This is my one.
DJ Esco, ET, Esco Terrestrial.
More money, more problems. More guns, more violence. I beat a couple cases. I feel like John got it. How about a Benz, baby? I feel like dog life. I feel like taking some drink right now and pouring it over my niggas. We ain't never turned down. I'm a big dipper, big tipper. You want it, you buy it, you get it. Cash on the liver, rosé on my liver. Headshots for my enemy. Still got a money machine clicking, you know how I kick it, hey. Leaving a witness, gon' send you to penitentiary, wait. He get it, she get it, they get it too. Lay on you, spray on you, hop in the coupe. You didn't know about Mally World till I introduce you. You can be sober as fuck, cause money is gon' seduce you. My hustle is gon' seduce you. My vibe ain't none of these niggas compared to me. No, none of these niggas compare to me. Most of these niggas are fans of me. I really appreciate it. I really do. Majority bitches ain't loyal, they all done been ran through. I stay at it, get at it, work on it, count up and count up and count up. Mayback, I sit back and lay back and flick through the channels. I flick through the channel, I'm watching the streets and they knowing the Xana. I'm seeing the animosity, the righteous, I'm seeing in. I got some homies that just got out, some ones that just went in. The deeper the ocean, the deeper the pain. Blow out the brain and switch through lanes. Ain't gotta call out no names. They know I'm married to the game.
I love it though, you know. Put your hands to the constellations. The way you look should be a sin. You my sensation. I know I'm preaching to the congregation. We love Jesus, but you done learned a lot from Satan. I mean, a nigga did a lot of waiting. We ain't married, but tonight I need some consummation. May the Lord forgive us, may the gods be with us. In that magic hour, I seen good Christians make brash decisions. Oh, she do it, what happened to religion? Oh, she lose it, she putting on her makeup. She casually allured. Text message breakups, the casualty of tour. How she gon' wake up and not love me no more? I thought I was the asshole, I guess it's rubbing off. Hood phenomenon, the LeBron of rhyme. Hard to be humble when you stuntin' on a jumbotron. I'm looking at her like, this what you really wanted, huh? Why we argue anyway? Oh, I forgot it's summertime. Put your hands to the constellations. The way you look should be a sin, you my sensation. I know I'm preaching to the congregation. like the life I feed. Seems like the life I feed's a little distant, yeah. Seems like the life I need. Seems like the life I need's a little distant, yeah. Like the remedy, yeah. Sit back while I rock the beat, do it on repeat. Sense controlling me, yeah. Angels, halos over me, I need blessings in my peace. You been out the streets, yeah. Ballin', I'm in on my G's, we been going for a week. Now you on a peak, yeah. Hands up while they tryna reach, I can't even get that deep. Told you I don't teach, yeah. Practice, oh no, never preach. Practice, oh no, never preach. Infiltrate the enemy, moving on them randomly. Feels like the life I need's a little distant, yeah. Feels like the life I need, yeah. Feels like the life I need's a little